I gotta wash my cars. It all looks like crap.
We gotta do something about that.
Oh, you had buddies.
Hi, welcome to 151 Garage. I'm Sean.
I'm Jill.
And today we're going to go through a quick overview of what we've done or haven't done to our vehicles. So we've done a little bit to hers, we've done a little bit to mine. The Big Bend behind you we haven't done anything with other than drive it and basically have fun.
And we haven't done anything to sport either.
Yeah, we haven't done anything in sport either. So first, an update on her vehicle. Now, somebody did call me out saying that when I hit 4,000 subscribers, we were going to get her a roof rack.
That was before SEMA.
There's a lot of roof racks out there for SEMA, so we haven't decided. Actually, she hasn't decided which one she wants. So we'll go take a really good look at them and we will get one.
We had one in mind before SEMA. It was a Gobi roof rack.
Yeah.
And then we go to SEMA and it was just like decisions.
It's like roof racks everywhere. There are a ton of different choices, more than a dozen, easily more than a dozen. It seems like every Bronco had a different roof rack, different items for the roof rack. So we will...
It's now a matter of me deciding which one of those multiple ones available now to pick.
Yeah. It's going to be a long process. So, but as you can tell behind us, we have done a stripe here. It's like an old school stripe. We'll go through this stripe later. We also have this piece right here, which is done in white as well. It has the topographical map on it, as well as we found a leak on the back side of the roof. We will go into that on a later video. That was an interesting thing. We had to fix it. It was a quick fix. We
didn't know about it. So it was parked in the yard because he was traveling for work. So we left it in the yard. That way he can park in the driveway. And it rained for like 2 weeks straight. Well, before that, it didn't rain at all. And when he got home on one of the 2 weeks, we opened the back to put something in it, and it was like 4 inches of water in the back. Thank God we had the cargo liners in the back, because that interior probably would have been ruined.
Yeah, we lucked out there. So we found out where it was leaking. Again, we'll show you guys probably on the next video. We'll go through it. It's a pretty simple fix. Is it a permanent fix right now? No, it's not a permanent fix. And again, we'll get into that a little bit later on, how we fix it. If you guys have a problem,
or drop a comment down below if you have a leak.
Yeah, it was a pretty simple temporary solution, maybe a couple bucks, but again, we just need to get the seal replaced, and we'll show you where that seal is on again, the next video. We'll do that next video. My vehicle. My vehicle has one fender liner left to put in, and I can actually drive it. Now, it is going to look like it skipped leg day. It has regular tires on a wide fender. It's going to look really silly, but at least I can drive it.
We got a beautiful hood and 4 widened out fenders that almost look Raptor-ish, but it looks really good.
We'll go show you. We'll go inside the garage and we'll show you inside the garage. It's probably a little bit easier. It really looks good.
Forgive our mess in the garage beforehand. Don't judge us.
There's stuff strung all over the place for future projects, current projects,
and unpacking.
Past projects. So, but we'll see you right inside.
Draco, don't go after the heavy, hard bone.
That's our dog. That's Draco. Remember when he was like the size of his head? Now he's not. So behind me is my truck, my Bronco. Now, as you can tell, it does have the Advanced Fiberglass Concepts fenders. They are done, all 4. They are installed. I have the fender liners here, and I don't know if you can see it. I have a rock light right here, as well as a rock light in front, and the other side on the rear, there's a rock light on there. I don't have that one installed yet on the passenger side, but I absolutely love this. It really is nice. I do need to do something about this though. So I don't like how this looks. I think I'll make a piece that goes over it and just either double-sided tape or secure it with the holes that are currently in there. But this right here is the one thing that bugs me when it opens up. This right here is fine. So,
hey,
and then,
babe.
A cute moment with the dog.
And he always knows when the camera's out.
Yeah, I know. And then of course you have this, I have a rock light up here. These are KC rock lights. They do have the countersunk thing that it's sitting in. And then of course the heat extractor hood. This thing's pretty badass. Now, I will go more into detail when we get the vehicle out. Again, you know, we're just doing a quick video on what's going on. The guy who actually painted this hood and did the body work on this hood said this is probably one of the straightest hoods he's dealt with being fiberglass. He goes, most of them look like bacon and they're really bad. This one came out of the box fairly straight. Didn't have to do much body work on it, just sanded it down a little bit and painted it. I mean, it looks really good. As well as my grill isn't even put together. It's actually on the other side over there. So as you can tell, my grill, the other fender, the little piece in the front. We are looking at replacing the headlights on these with they look like the Raptor ones, so they have all the orange lights on it rather than clear. These are just the regular non-signature lights. So these are just regular lights. They are LED, but they're not the signature style. I like the signature style, so we're gonna end up changing these out to signature. Yeah, as you can tell, you can see through the fender liner right there. That's why I haven't driven it. Now, I do have the fender liner in here. It is painted a satin black. That way it doesn't have the shine in it underneath. I have this all done. This side is actually all done, which I absolutely love the look of this side. Rock rails on it, oh.
Yeah. We got you from Iconic Badges.
It's hard to see.
But it's
Apocalypse.
black on black.
Yeah,
Gloss
it's gloss black
matte.
and then matte black. So I do have new badges from
Iconic Badges.
Iconic Badges. They sent me some. I had some made along with some other things for her vehicle. So
now we're not sponsored by them. We did buy these. So.
But you know, we'll do more in depth on her vehicle, and then once my vehicle's done, probably after her vehicle is gone through the videos for her vehicle, my vehicle will be done. We'll pull it out and we'll show you more in depth of what we did and what we plan on doing to these vehicles. I do plan on doing a full custom stereo in this. I talked to Rockford Fosgate about some of their systems. Now, granted, I'm not sponsored by them, but I've always used Rockford Fosgate. Absolutely love their products, and we'll probably be buying most of that stuff. We'll see. I gotta see what I need to get for it. But anything else?
No.
So if you guys want to see more of the dogs, we will bring them in there. Please state whether you want to see Draco or Shadow, which is outside. He's bigger than him, right?
Stay off. I don't want to scratch Daddy's vehicle.
Yeah, don't do that. Okay. Talk to you guys later. See you next video. Bye.